Hello everyone, and this is Dr. Z with Dr. Z's Demos, and tonight we're going to talk about the multi-purpose detergent made by Forever Living Products and how it's environmentally safe and friendly and good for you also, compared to your household detergent for laundry, which brand X you buy in the store. Got my socks off here. Going to take and dip one in the MPD down in there and let it drip off a little bit. Going to dip another one in brand X, of course. Stick it down in there, and then we're going to take and let them drip off just for a second. Put them in the washing tub here. Wash them out real good, because you always wash your clothes and rinse them and rinse them and rinse them. But then what happens, you get out playing a couple days later, you're in the basketball game, you're sweating, etc., and this stuff gets into your skin. Now, first, before we go any farther, let me talk about the light that I'm going to use here. This is an ultraviolet light, and you can pick that up at your friendly little neighborhood lighting store. They're about $25. They'll help detect toxins and surfactants which are toxic to your skin, reflects them back. Make sure it's not a black light. It has to be an ultraviolet light to make the demo work properly. Again, we're just rinsing along here, and we're going to let them drip off. I'm going to have to turn the lights out here and show you how the reflection works. Again, MPD. It's on your right, my left. And if we can see that there, see how you're glowing in the dark? Right here with your brand X, of course, your MPD, nothing. Gets rid of all the residue. So now if you want to be like Dr. Z, and let's hit the light here again. You want to be like Dr. Z, have clean feet and a clean environment, use the Aloe MPD. That's it for now, and we'll see you in 2 weeks with another Dr. Z's Demo.